Alright, like I said, the only way to get better at something is to do it. And I don't know about you, but I like really stink at hands. Anyway, we're going to try and draw this one. I found this awesome reference material. So, and I do old school. I could probably learn how to do that picture-to-picture thing. I just put the picture right here with a little paper clip and draw it over here. Alright, so we're going to start. We're going to have I'm going to draw the wrist. Because oftentimes when people start drawing a hand, they don't draw the wrist. And so I'm like, well, I'm going to draw the wrist. And off the wrist is this huge wedge shape, which is kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's at an angle right here. It comes up, over, down, which is where the knuckles are, and then across. I mean, I guess you could have let's put a bone right there. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's make it look kind of cool. All right. Anyway, and then this is where the knuckle line is going to be, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles. So you can mark a little place marker for them if you want, and that way you'll know how to make the fingers. But up here, I'm going to worry about this sucker, the thumb. So I'm going to measure it, and this person's thumb kind of comes up. You know what? This is a comic book. I'm going to make that thumb pronounced. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's make that really pronounced. Like, yeah, we got that thumb up there. I'm even going to make this part right here really pronounced. Kind of add some character to it. There we go. Okay, now this line comes straight across. This is our guideline. So we come straight across. And I'm going to make this finger coming out just a little bit because it's the first knuckle. Because we do have 3 knuckles. 1, 2, 3. And sometimes when you're drawing hands and you're like, wait a minute, it doesn't quite look right. Check the knuckles. You might have forgotten one. I'm just saying. Okay. Alright, so that's going to come out a little bit. Then this hand's going to come out. I mean, not hand, sorry, finger. Goodness gracious. And then this finger. And then we have the little pinky, and I always kind of just make a little one right there and have these. They're actually at different lengths, but that's okay. Okay. These are all bent over, and you cannot really see them, but we can put a little line right here, make it a little bit more pronounced, and let's add the knuckle lines. Oh my goodness, and there goes my phone. And then if you really want to add, you can add a few more stress lines. Okay, this is ready to be. Okay, I'm gonna go for more bold lines here, so I'm just gonna take I have my M here, and I'm gonna come up here, and I'm gonna come up really loosely, and come around the edge. Now, you can barely see a thumbnail there, so I'm like, no, I'm gonna omit that, but I'm gonna. This actually comes around and has a couple of folds here, so you can take some liberties with that. Have some artistic license. Alright, and then this line comes around here. Alright. I kind of like that one, but we do have some shading over here, so let's get out a smaller inking pen, and let's just add a couple of lines around here. Directional hatching from a previous tutorial. So this is a very fluid way of there's all different ways, and I can show different ones. There we go. Oh, you know what? You think what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make this a little bit darker. Make that be a little bit more pronounced. Alright, now I guess I could add color to this if I wanted to, but there you go, practicing the thumbs up. Okay, so I kind of, colored this a little bit and added some shadows. Actually, you know what? I should add more of a shadow because you'll notice this is in shadow. That part of the hand. I'm like, oh my goodness. Put one in here. And there we go.